Hi, chef.
Hi,
How are you, chef?
all good. How are you?
I'm good. Still busy, huh?
Not much.
Hi, Arjun.
Yeah, that's
What are you doing for?
we're doing the Christmas fruit mixing ceremony.
Wow. Let's see where's our
It
mixer.
looks good, no?
Yes, damn good, man.
Yeah. Chef Rasika, say hi. Yeah. Chef Tarusa, say please hi. You're looking energetic, huh? Wow. These are the two guys we have artists here in the Ubdu Salak Sangeli. So whatever festival comes, they are the main guy who doing everything. This crafting and all everything.
Soaking for the Christmas and festive season. As the tradition goes, 6 weeks before the Christmas, we soak our fruits in alcohol so that this all bright flavors can materialize and which we'll use for our plum cakes and festive cakes. For this, we have lots of things happening other than just fruit soaking. We have some traditional pastries, mince pie, plum cake, stollen, and mule wine just behind you. The flow will be like, I invite all of you to come here and our chefs and our service team will help you to start the fruit soaking. Once we are done, the bar and everything will be open because you cannot be drinking and mixing it. I'm sorry for those who have already started. You need to finish faster. I'm sorry for that. Right? I will hand over the mic to our resort manager, Mr. Sri, to say a few words.
Thank you, Seth, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for having with us. Such an incredible moment, I must say that, and it's lovely and delighted to have you, all of you, over here. So I must say that this cake mixing is not just about mixing and blending of the spices and nuts, fruits and all. It's all about the blending of the love, joy, happiness, and this is just the start of the festive. And so let's come together and share and bring this happiness. And thank you very much to all of you for having with us. So let's begin the show. Thank you, Chair, and thank you all of you.
you.